Hi everyone, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast is going to show you how to hack, yes, I said hack, Google Slides, Screencastify, and voice type in so that you can actually create a video and make a transcription of what you're saying all at one time. So this video is going to show you basically how to do all that. I hope you find it helpful. I think it's really cool. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is open up a brand new Google Slide presentation and give it a name. As you can see here, I have mine named as Daily Agenda Demo. Now you can create a new Google Slide presentation every day, or you can continue to use the same one. I would probably recommend you create a new one every day, or maybe create a new Google Slide presentation for each week. So I have a blank slide in here, as you can see. And the first thing that I want you to notice is the Tools menu. So if you click on the Tools menu, you're going to be able to see an option called Voice Type Speaker Notes. And you're going to notice here that the microphone showed up here in the margin. And when I initiate or enable the voice type-in, it's going to transcribe my words into the speaker notes. So the speaker notes is actually at the bottom of the slide. So you can adjust that area so that it's bigger or smaller for your students. Okay, so underneath your main part of your slide is the speaker notes. So again, that is in Tools, Voice Type Speaker Notes. And the microphone will either appear or it will go away because this is a toggle. Okay, so Tools, Voice Type Speaker Notes. And all I have to do is click on the microphone, and now it will start transcribing my words. Okay. The next thing that I have to do is use Screencastify. All right, so now that I showed you how to use the voice type-in tool in Google Slides, the next thing that you need to do is use the Screencastify tool to create your video. So right now, I am using Screencastify to capture this tutorial. And when you do this with your students for your daily agenda, you're going to use the Screencastify desktop option with the webcam embedded in your video, just like I have it here, okay? And what I'm going to do is move my video in the middle of my screen so that I'm directly looking at the webcam. I'm going to turn on my voice type-in, and I'm going to start my daily greeting to my students. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a great weekend. Today, our learning goal is to talk about what we did over the weekend and to document all of that information. I'll see you later. And you can see as I am speaking into my webcam, my video is being captured and my transcript is being recorded as well in the speaker notes. And you need to finalize things in Screencastify. So the first thing that you should do is name your video. So you can name it the date, greeting, whatever you want. Just name it so that it's easily identifiable in Google Drive. And the last thing that you're going to do in Screencastify is copy the shareable link. And that's only going to make it so that when students click on the video that they can open up and view it. So I'm going to click on copy shareable link. And now I'm going to go back into Google Slides. So in Google Slides, you can see here in the speaker notes that there is some type of transcription from my video. And always go in here and make sure that it makes sense. Check for grammar, punctuation. Make sure that it makes sense because sometimes the voice type-in isn't accurate and you need to go in and edit that. So I have this here in the speaker notes, and I can adjust the speaker notes so that there's more room or less room here for the information. So the next thing that I'm going to do is insert the video that I just created. So I'm going to go to the Insert menu. Let me move myself over. I'm going to go to the Insert menu, and I'm going to click on Video. And I'm going to click on Google Drive. And you want to click on Recent. And when you click on Recent, it's going to show you the most recent videos that are in your drive. and this is the one that I'm going to select. So I'm going to click on it and hit select, and the video will be inserted into my slide. Now, on the right side, you notice here, there's format options for this video, okay? And this panel opened up automatically because I inserted the video. And I can have it autoplay when students open up this presentation. You know, I can change some of the rotation and the size of it. I can, you know, play around with the position of it as well, and also give it a shadow, a drop shadow if I wanted to. So you can format it here. You may want to select autoplay when presenting, but you don't have to. You can leave it unchecked, and then when the students open this up, they can click on it and watch the video, and then they can also read the transcript of the video as well. So I'm going to click the X here to close this out. And if you don't know where that panel came from, you just click on the video and you go to the format menu and you go down to format options, and that panel, the format options panel will show up. So now you have a hack. You just app smashed your voice type-in tool in Google Slides and Screencastify, and you have another way of giving your students information using video and transcription of your video. I hope you found this hack helpful.